Kenapa kau temenung oh?
Setiap tahu apa mau review sudah.
Are you kidding me? Tuh sana tuh, satu lagi yang 10K. Wih?
So if you come from my video yang last week punya, which I reviewed the CF Moto 250 SR Lite, now I have another motor yang directly competing against it, tapi this time under the banner of QJ Moto. QJ Moto dia keluar satu motor yang of course using single cylinder, harga sebiji sama 10,488, tapi dia main buyuk. Kenapa kau main buyuk? Kenapa kau pakai Suzuki Katana punya warna when you know it's my favorite bike? Bad boy. So dia punya front design clearly inspired by some Ducati motos, and dia punya middle frame pun nampak sangat cantik because dia tutup all the emptiness supaya kamu nampak dia sporty. And then dia punya tail, ini lubang macam dia ada copy certain brand yang start dari C and F. We're gonna walk through every single detail, one by one, express lah, okay, as soon as possible. So, let's do that, starting now. Untuk QJ punya installment ni kan, dia generous sikit lah compare dengan CF Moto. Kalau orang bagi kau duit persuma atau barang yang lagi cun kan, of course kita grateful, kita cakap thank you saja. Thank you. So di sini apa yang dia bagi Dia bagi upside down forks. Thank you. Dia punya brake sebiji axial, macam the CF Moto juga. And then even the tires pun using the same dimension. Senang cerita, kalau replacement nanti botak sudah memang murah punya guys. Jangan risau. Right saja. Okay. Lampu dia, oh my god, this is where ini QJ punya design lagi cantik. Because the CF kan dia ada DP DRL yang begitu, tapi dia punya design is very CF. Tapi ini macam dia curi homework dari Ducati. Sexy as. Untuk dia punya engine pula is the same as the SRK 250S yang the single cylinder punya naked bike. So it produces exactly the same horsepower and torque figure as the CF juga, 27 horsepower and 22 Newton meters of torque. Tapi somehow dia punya bunyi kan, you will hear later, actually ini lagi cantik dia punya suara dari CF. And I'm pretty sure that is due to dia punya exhaust, because dia pakai satu batang cantik ini. No homo. No homo. Untuk dia punya buntut pula tire exactly the same as the CF Moto 140 60 17. Like I said, ganti murah, no worries. Apa yang dia ada sekarang memang CST punya tires actually quite grippy juga lah. Tapi ada yang dia punya concern is, oh CST cepat botak sikit. Well, if you ride like me, selalu polas habis sejak, memang cepat botak tu guys. It's a sport bike, chill. At least dia punya ganti murah mah. Betul? Okay. And then exhaust dia daripada yang itu CF punya yang tuck di belly, dia kasih kamu lebih kurang macam full system punya style. So dia punya suara kan very very nice. Sekejap lagi, okay? And then dia punya rear shocks tu memang boleh preload adjust. Very simple, single shock. I perasan something, dia punya shocks actually compared to the CF Moto punya. Brake lights lebih kurang very nicely designed. Ada shape begini. If you understand what I mean. And then belakang tail dia pun ada lubang aerodynamics begini. Macam dia ada kopi ala-ala siapa-siapa sudah. You know, I know lah. Selamat sejahtera tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Welcome to the cockpit view of the QJ Moto SRK 250R. Okay, so compared to the CF Moto kan dia punya dash dia pakai mahal sikit lah, you get warna compared to the all blue punya, which is a bit lower end. But you get every single information that you need here. Okay, your gear indicator, speed, rev, thermo, your temperature, okay, and then your fuel on the left. And then kamu boleh nampak atas sini dia tulis kecil-kecil ABS, ada jam juga. Okay, so here will be all your warning lights. Okay. So very straightforward. Kalau kita pergi the left side of the motorcycle, you can see, okay, rear lever, adjustable. I like this, okay. And then dia punya lampu highlight low beam semua di belakang lah, okay. And then here is your select butang, so for you to change your trip A, trip B, and your time, okay. Kiri kanan signal and also your horn, pip pip, okay. Now let's go to the middle. Nothing much here. Because kamu boleh nampak dia clip-on style punya handlebar actually di bawah lah. And then I actually kind of enjoy this butterfly punya the triangle, you know, very nicely done. Okay. And then on the right side of this motorcycle, you can see sini ada ignition dia, pakai switch punya, bukan tarik-tarik like the CF Moto. Hazard lights on the bottom. That's about it. So, dia punya USB boleh menang CF Moto kah tidak? Because as we know, USB for the CF Moto ada Type-C. Boleh charge kamu punya Nintendo Switch. Ini boleh kah tidak? Let's see. Wah, ada Type-C juga guys. Ada normal USB and Type-C all together. Very complete package. In this setting, saya rasa memang QJ Moto menang lah. Okay, compared to the CF. The dash itself is way prettier. Bukan yang biru-biru sahaja, macam otak saya. Tidak apa. Now, for the ergonomics of this motorcycle, I want you to look at the shocks depan dan belakang masa saya duduk ni motorcycle, okay? Because I'm trying to show you something very important, okay? Hiya! You see how much it goes down? Dia punya shock is so lembut. Every single time saya turun, you can hear pang 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 tu. Actually, saya kena side stand dia. Dia punya shocks, saya tidak rasa is very suitable for performance. Kalau kamu mau ride corner like fast begitu, bagus kamu adjust dia punya preload, kasih tinggi sikit. Because this is more for long distance as compared to the CF Moto yang more to performance. So walaupun harga dia sama, saya rasa these two still cater to different punya crowd. But kalau untuk saya yang memang ada tua sikit siapa umur, saya rasa I like softer shocks juga lah. Okay, tangkinya tidak payah cakap sudah. It's always the same. Enough for 300 kilometers. Jangan saja pulas selalu guys. Now, kalau kamu duduk ini motorsikal kan, one of the pet peeves, one of the things yang saya tidak suka pada ini motorsikal is dia punya side stand is directly below the foot peg. So it's quite awkward to get to it at first lah. You know? It's because the CF kan dia di belakang. Ini in the middle is just a bit awkward lah. Okay, just to let you guys know. Ladies and gentlemen, sound check. Wow. Wow. Woo. Now, dalam spec sheet of this motorcycle kan, actually dia punya torque figures are a bit higher than the CF Moto. And saya rasa I can know why lah, because dia punya cylinder actually moves faster. Kau tidak dengar as much as the CF Moto yang this one is faster. Okay, so it sounds way better than the CF. Quite a nice sounding bike. I love it. High tech. Untuk yang 175 Maxu, no problem. Next, 160, how? Good. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you now join me on the outside of the QJ Moto showroom, and we are now on the SRK 250R. So it's time to take this bike for a ride. And oh yes, sekarang duduk kan, ya dia punya shocks are so soft gila. Let's see how it handles the road dulu. Let's go. Okay guys, I changed my mind. Okay, first I want to ride off the motorcycle sudah. Not fun lah, something like that lah. But okay, the engine is way more powerful, saya rasa, than the CF motor punya. And I'm gonna demonstrate it to you now. We're gonna do the hill test again. Okay. Oh, look, just dengar dia punya suara pun saya pun, oh my god. Okay. Wow, yeah, it goes up way too easy lah untuk di motosikal. Wow, handling wise, just like motosikal yang kita tested before on the previous video, this is 162 kilogram saja. Dia lagi ringan lagi dari the CF motor. So yes, kalau kamu mau bom ke kiri kanan, woohoo, tiada masalah lah. Yes. That's what a sport bike should feel like, okay? Now, di sini saya tiada luxury untuk tes kita punya jalan berlubang, because in our brand new showroom of CF and QJ Moto ni, dia punya jalan sangat cantik. Tapi saya melompat dari pantat tadi. Okay, hands down. In the case of the 10K sport bike single cylinder punya war, QJ Moto menang sudah. Now lepas riding through motorcycle, kau nampak how excited and how happy I was. Okay. Other than dia punya shock absorbers yang terlampau lembut sikit kan, this motor punya engine feels way better than the CF motor punya. I'm telling you now because I've sat on it, I've ridden on it. This is saya punya bukti. My butt tells the story, my hand tells my experience. Okay. So dari segi ringan, this is 163, that is 165, 2 kilos different. Kau tidak berapa rasa, dua-dua pun handle like crazy. Cuma dia punya shock saja. Kalau ada cara tukar dia punya shock absorbers, kasih keras sikit, this will be perfect. Again guys, 10,488, you are getting a very good motorcycle here. First of all, dia tiada stiker play to win and more fun di itu motorcycle, which is already a big plus. And dia punya color scheme yang clearly dia curi dari Suzuki Katana, terus kena siapa yang heartstring, teng, jatuh shift. If you have 10,488 ringgit and you're picking between the CF Moto and the QJ, try dulu. But my money is on this bike. P2P rating 8.5. 10,488. Where do you want to find this motorcycle at the end of it all? Well, the only QJ Moto showroom in the whole Malaysia. Come here, man. Powered by Wang Maju Motors and Rian Berhad. Just come here and sit in this motorcycle. Kalau kamu duduk sudah, kalau kamu allowed to test ride, you will feel what I feel and you will love this motorcycle. And you buy here, you get a lot of free gift. Dia akan bagi kamu helmet, dia akan bagi kamu gloves. Everything will be provided. Kau ambil ni motorsikal, kau ride saja jalan jauh-jauh. Okay? So thank you all for watching this video today. Before we end, I will show you two other colors yang kita available. We have black and white color as well. You can see it now, the black and the white. And I'll see you next time. Maxu out.